What is the unsung hero of your busy life, yet a mystery to you? Here are some hints. It is your second most expensive investment other than your home. It can make your life a breeze, or it can make your life grind to a halt. It has a huge impact on your family, social, and career life experiences. It provides time efficiency, convenience, comfort, greater freedom, and independence to your busy life. The answer is, it's your car! Knowing this, you finally realize that for something so important in your life, it's amazing that you know so little about how to take care of it, how to maintain it, how it works, and how to fix it. So you ask yourself, why do I know so little about something so important and expensive? Resulting in my being not only ignorant about cars, but also placing myself in a vulnerable position where I live in fear of car breakdowns, costly repairs, and the likelihood of being taken advantage of. A position that not only affects the reliability of my car, but also creates serious safety issues that endanger my loved ones and me when I drive. The worst part is that the automotive industry thrives on our ignorance, so we're left to navigate a complex world of repairs and maintenance, largely alone. While resources are scarce, businesses eager to profit from our lack of knowledge abound. The less we understand our car, the more they stand to gain. It doesn't have to be that way. My name is Marco Casillas, and I have been in your shoes plenty of times, leaving me frustrated but worst of all very angry, knowing that they have taken not only my hard-earned money but also taken advantage of me. That anger pushed me to come up with a solution that keeps me from ever being in that position of ignorance and vulnerability again. That solution is how2know.com, an innovative online platform that helps you drive with complete confidence and peace of mind by giving you the knowledge, confidence, and power you need to proactively maintain your car and deal with your local mechanic about any unforeseen auto repairs. How2know.com concentrates on two essential parts of car ownership. 1. When unforeseen car problems happen, how2know.com provides you with online auto mechanic consultants to assist you with the knowledge and expertise you need to deal with your local auto shop to solve your car problems easily, saving you time, money, and headaches. 2. Preventive maintenance know how to ensure your safety and your car's reliability, providing you with the knowledge and tools to do preventive maintenance correctly and on time, saving you money while reducing repair problems and car breakdowns. How2know.com helps you change the game in your favor by letting you level the playing field, and showing your local mechanic that you're on an even par with him in regards to car knowledge and expertise, and he needs to treat you professionally and with respect. If this resonates with you, we encourage you to sign up for our email waiting list. The link is in the description below, and we'll let you know when you may sign up for our services. We also ask that you please share this video with your family and friends who may need our services so that they too can drive with complete confidence and peace of mind.